Good morning, all. Myself Aishwarya Rafi. Today I am taking the remaining portion of types of electronic payments. We studied the remaining portion, that unstructured supplementary service data and NUUP. The next portion is I am taking that Aadhaar Enabled Payment System, AEPS. AEPS is a new payment service offered by National Payment Corporation of India to the banks, financial institution using Aadhaar. APS, AEPS is a payment system provided by the National Payment Corporation of India to bank and financial institution with using the Aadhaar. The objectives of Aadhaar enabled payment system is to empower a bank customer to use Aadhaar to access his Aadhaar enabled bank account and perform basic banking transaction. They are intra-bank and interbank in nature through a business correspondent. The main objectives of Aadhaar enabled payment system is empower a bank customer with use the attach of Aadhaar with the bank account and perform the basic transaction of basic transaction that are intra bank in nature through with the business correspondent. Business correspondent is an approved bank agent provide basic banking service using a micro ATM to any bank customer wishing to avail their bank based service. Business correspondent is an approved bank agent to provide to bank customer wishing to avail their bank services. This is a logo of AEPS. AEPS, which means Aadhaar enabled payment system, which connected with the bank account. The next point is Aadhaar enabled payment system is a service of empowering a bank customer to use Aadhaar as an identity to access its respective Aadhaar enabled bank account and perform basic banking transaction. We also told that this system has to provide to customer to perform their basic banking transaction through Aadhaar. Aadhaar is a identity of a customer and which is attached with the bank account to provide the basic banking transaction. Customers should have an Aadhaar number linked with any bank account, and bank should be a part of AEPS network where customer has an account. Customer should have an Aadhaar number which has to link it with the bank account, but the bank should be a part of AEPS network. So the customer has an account with the Aadhaar, which number is linked with the bank account. The registration process shall be as per the procedure laid down by the bank providing APS services. Then the transaction supported by AEPS are the following, which transaction are supported by AEPS, that is balance inquiry. We can check the balance of bank account, and cash withdrawal. We can also withdraw the cash with using of AEPS. Then cash deposit, we can deposit through which connected with AEPS services. We can deposit the cash. And Aadhaar to Aadhaar fund transaction, we can also provide Aadhaar to Aadhaar fund transaction. Then payment transaction, which is a C2B, customer to business. C2G, customer to government transaction. We can also provide a payment transaction of C2B, C2G transaction. These are the transaction has supported by AEPS, that is as balance inquiry, cash withdrawal, cash deposit, Aadhaar to Aadhaar funds transaction, payment transactions such as C2B, C2G transaction. we see the what is Aadhaar enabled payment system. Aadhaar enabled payment system is a service provided by the National Payment Corporation of India to bank financial institution using with Aadhaar. The main objective is to link with the bank account to perform the basic bank transaction, which through the nature of business correspondent, and the customer have another number which linked with any bank account, the bank should be part of an AEPS. Then we study the transaction which supported by APS is balance inquiry, cash withdrawal, cash deposit, Aadhaar to Aadhaar fund transaction, and payment transaction. That is a C2B C2G transaction. So this is my topic. I hope all clear that. Thank you.